Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp? Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on the Settings option. Tap on Account. Tap on Two-Step Verification. Tap on Enable button. Enter a 6-digit number. Make a note of this number somewhere because WhatsApp will periodically ask you to enter your PIN. Tap Next. Enter the 6-digit number again to confirm. Tap Next. Enter your email address. This will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it. Tap Next. Enter your email address again to confirm. As you can see, two-step verification is enabled on your account. This is how you can enable two-step verification on WhatsApp on an Android device.